on? Which side are you on?
Tell me,
Which side are you on? Which side are you on? We'll fight against Doge. We'll fight Elon Musk. No Elon scab within our walls. We'll fight from dawn to dusk. Trump's coming for our unions. He wants us all to fail. He wants us to bow to him, but we want him in jail. They say in the capital city there are no neutrals found. You're either with the union or a scabby Musk bloodhound. Oh, which side are you on? Which side are you on? Don't take that government buyout. Don't listen to Trump's lies. Us workers haven't got a chance unless we organize. Oh, which side are you on? Which side are you on?
Tell me.
Which side are you on? Which side are you on?